Welcome to all my lovely friends. We always try to teach you something new through our podcast episodes. We genuinely want you to improve your English skills. We request you to learn new words that will enhance your English. And for that, you have to watch the video till the end. Before we start the video, we have a question for you. Why is breakup so common in the modern world? You can comment your thoughts. Now let's start.
Hey Bella, it seems you're so busy these days.
Not really. Actually, I was inactive for a few months from social media, and I've been focusing more on myself and my personal growth.
Off from social media? Are you okay, Bella? Is there anything bothering you?
Nope. I found that being single has given me the space to really discover who I am and what I want out of life. It's been a refreshing change, to be honest.
Okay. I'm glad to hear that you're taking this time for yourself, Bella, and I admire your positive attitude towards this change in your life.
Thanks, Marco. Are you in a relationship right now?
Ops, are you asking, do I have a girlfriend, right?
Yes, I was asking about your girlfriend.
Yes, I have a pretty girlfriend, but why are you asking this? Don't you have a boyfriend?
Nope. I am single, but I don't want to involve myself in a romantic relationship at the moment. I'm enjoying this phase of my life where I can focus on my personal growth and discover more about myself.
Happy to hear that. Are you telling me you've never had a relationship with anyone before?
To be honest, I had a very bad relationship in the past that left me quite hurt and hesitant to get into another one.
I'm so sorry to hear that, Bella. I hope you don't mind if I ask you something about your relationship.
I'd prefer not to dwell on the past, but since you're a close friend, you have the right to ask.
I understand your feelings and I don't want you to feel sad.
It's okay. I'm totally fine. What was your question?
Well, I wanted to know the exact reason for your breakup.
Well, when I started the relationship with my boyfriend, things seemed to be going well initially.
Oh, I see. Then what happened later?
However, he insisted that I have to inform him wherever I go. I couldn't go anywhere without letting him know. It became suffocating to constantly be required to report my whereabouts and ask for permission to go anywhere.
Feeling really sad for you, Bella. I had no idea you were going through such a difficult time. Unfortunately, you had to experience such controlling behavior.
It's okay, Marco. Actually, his expectations became controlling and invasive, and it made me feel like I was losing my freedom. It was clear that our priorities and expectations from the relationship were not aligned, and it became increasingly difficult to continue under those circumstances.
I'm glad you were able to recognize the toxicity of that relationship and choose to focus on yourself instead.
Now let's talk about your relationship. So, how is going your relationship right now?
It's going nice. It is good to be in a relationship if you love the person and the person loves you genuinely. They don't lie to you, they make time for you and understand you. You have a good time with them. You and they genuinely laugh at each other's jokes.
Exactly. If both make efforts to keep the relationship interesting, both respect each other as they are, and don't try to change each other. Most important, you trust each other. If these things aren't there in a relationship, it is better to be single.
There is nothing wrong with being single. I prefer to be in a healthy, loving relationship.
In my experience, being single is much better than being in a bad relationship. Being single gives you a lot of freedom that you won't have in a relationship.
Now let's talk about something different.
Why is breakup so common in the modern world?
Many people rush into relationships based on initial attraction without taking the time to truly understand each other. They mistake infatuation for love, leading to relationships that are not built on a strong foundation of understanding and compatibility.
I completely agree with you. I think love and attraction are not the same. Love is not blind, attraction is blind.
You're right, Bella. It's important to tell the difference between a crush and real love. A crush can be quick and intense, but it doesn't always last or lead to a real connection. Real love is about understanding, respect, and a deeper bond than just physical attraction.
I agree, Marco. It's so easy for people to get bored and seek out a new partner, especially with the prevalence of social media and dating apps. There are so many options available at our fingertips.
Absolutely. This can make it challenging to maintain long-lasting, meaningful connections when the next potential match is just a swipe away. I think it takes genuine effort and commitment to build a real and lasting relationship in today's fast-paced dating environment.
How can you be sure that the person you're choosing to spend your life with is the right one?
That's a very important question. The person should understand you first of all.
What did you mean by understand?
I mean that the person should truly respect your thoughts, feelings, and perspective. This includes being able to communicate effectively, empathize, and genuinely care about your well-being.
Yes, respect is a very important factor in every relationship. If you are not respected in a relationship, it's better to get out of it.
If someone's behavior isn't good, it becomes challenging to maintain love for them. When respect is absent, the foundation of any relationship weakens.
If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.